Dear Team India, I would like to first begin by congratulating you for your incredible performance and excellent teamwork during this World Cup. You have consistently brought glory to the country and given us all reasons to be collectively joyous and proud. Your journey to the finals has been inspiring and has valuable lessons that extend beyond the cricket field. These lessons are of unity, hard work, determination, and unwavering belief in yourself. I must also make a mention of individual records and stellar match-winning performances. I am reminded at this moment about the two previous occasions when India had lifted the World Cup trophy, first in 1983 and then in 2011. On both those occasions, the nation felt honored and erupted with joy. Cricket has always united our country beyond gender, region, language, religion, and class. And now, as you get ready for the finals this year, the entire country is rooting for you. I send you my best wishes. You have what it takes to be world champions. Good luck, Team India. Jai Hind.